According to Vyacheslav Krashenikov, humans were created about 7,500 years ago. Birds participate in time creation. It is a sin to kill birds. Dinosaurs live under our level. They will get out through sinkholes and lakes. To kill them, you go for their nerves. Demons grow human skin to put it on so as to look like us. Demons will invite people to be healed inside of their UFOs. Those who go will be like zombies after. Government provides these demons with diamonds and allows demons to abduct people. If you're being abducted, scream, Jesus! Demons use diamonds and souls to power their UFO crafts. The bigger the diamond, the more it lasts. Demons have 4 UFO bases. 1 is on the moon. 2 inside the fake mountain Kalish in Tibet. 3 in Lake Baikal in Russia. And 4 in Atlantis, which is underneath the Marianas Trench in the Pacific Ocean. There are no aliens. Nobody lives on other planets. Airplanes that go down are hit by demons because they need the airspace to fight Jesus. Don't go into a UFO to be healed by demons. 666 is given by isotope rays on their wrists and on their foreheads when people stretch hands to receive a small plastic gray card known as the World Passport. God gives you a name during baptism. The devil gives you an anti-name during anti-baptism. Barcodes are druid black magic curses and a form of the mark of the beast, just like Social Security.